Photogrammetry uses photos from various angles to create accurate 3D models of the world around us, turning 2D images into detailed, measurable maps. Multiple images are taken from different angles, and software analyzes these photos to stitch them into a 3D model, capturing every detail in high resolution. Photogrammetry is faster, more cost-effective, and offers greater accuracy than traditional survey methods, allowing for quicker decision-making and more reliable results. While highly effective, photogrammetry can face challenges like difficult terrain or poor lighting, requiring skilled operators to ensure optimal results. Photogrammetry will continue to revolutionize industries, enabling real-time mapping and merging with virtual reality for even more immersive experiences. Photogrammetry is transforming how we map our world, explore its power, and unlock new possibilities for your projects. At Wandasphere Limited, we harness the power of cutting-edge tools like drones and advanced photogrammetry to deliver unparalleled precision and speed. From capturing the finest details to transforming your projects, our technology empowers you to achieve more. Wandasphere Limited. Innovation in every detail.